Hello, it's day 7, January 7, and for a year long live session, learning is day and growing is day by day. So, I welcome all of you for this live, and without any further due, let's get started. And the today, our what we are going to do is today we are going to learn and master the Redux Toolkit. uh yeah, like I had never like I want to share a small thing, and I want to start this live. That is, while I was learning React and Next.js, as I was learning from myself and on my and obviously I was doing small project, not a big project, but now as I'm as a developer in office, I have encounter that we need really a state management library which can really manage it well. Like as I'm making a dashboard and other projects in my company, so we really have a lot of state, and we need API calling and post. Yeah, so there are a lot of thing going, and there are a lot of component. Like uh, what I was coding and now what I'm coding is so different and so past, and like so many component I'm making right now, and sometimes it makes me feel like, oh my god, what I'm doing. But we need to learn and grow each day, so that's why i'm I want and I need to master a Redux toolkit. So I have seen a little bit of Redux, and like on the Redux toolkit, it is built upon the Redux. So it has a slice idea, like uh, action and reducer is both on a slice, and there are store, slice, and provider mainly. And I know some of the theory part, and I have created some small projects in the uh, Redux toolkit, but I don't know like fully. Like there is one, I guess Nano, and there is one Trucks. Like there are a lot of like a Redux toolkit is itself a tool to master. Like we can use not just for only React, not just for the Next.js, but for the other framework as well. So it's a very versatile, and it's a production style framework also. We will start this live with the mindset of learning it, and I will be watching some video. Okay, don't judge me, but what I found is I look at the I looked at the uh, Redux toolkit, yeah, like documentation, but and I also encounter in the Redux that no, on the Reddit, like most of the people were saying like there is not a proper documentation for the Redux toolkit, yeah, and not truly not 100% true, but there is some valuable, and obviously the maker has put a lot of work into it. But I'm also not understanding, and I'm not getting the vibe, like why I really need, and like how this all the workflow, all these things are going, yeah. So I will be watching video for 1 to 1.5 hour. Like now, now in my time it's 4:47 p.m. You can see, I guess, your time, yeah, 4:47. So we will go live on no, we will watch video until 6:30 or that time, and then we will really start doing hands on. Like we will code all not watching video, but we can also, if what we will do. Okay, so for that, that is what I wanted to say. And I will be watching a Indian language video, because yeah, there are a lot of videos that are good, but at my office, I had a few free time, like 15-20 minutes, and I was searching, and I got a really a great video. Like I can show you here code step by step. Yeah, and I did also some of the code from his, like I learned that there is a uh, provider, slice, and store. Yeah, so basically a store is the main place, like it will store and it will have the reducer, as we don't have right now, so we will add here. And there is this slice. Slice is basically action and reducer. Action means your initial state, your state, and reducer is what you want to do with that state. I know, I'm not 100% right on this. I'm still learning. Just give me some minute, okay? I will learn and I will share with you guys. And this provider is, it is a use client, so client, and it is taking that store and wrapping on a provider, and it is passing to the trillion, and we have also passed it to the layout here as a provider. So it will wrap out, so it will basically wrap our full uh, Nextjs project, so we can have the functionality of. So okay, and I also want to say is Redux Toolkit is unidirectional. That means UI UX. Okay, so from the user, from the view, it will go to the slice. And there is one circle, I'm not getting fully, but there is one circle. It doesn't go like opposite way. It will just go to the one straight way. So okay, I'm getting something knowledge, but I still need to learn a lot. So what I got, okay, so okay, I was watching this. Guys, I don't know how can I, like, I think you guys will also listen this music. So for that I will also play our music on the background. So Luffy, obviously, always, okay, it will make my brain relax also. And what other thing I can do is, I think I can mute if I want. Like, yeah, I can mute, but I also wanna share what I'm learning, what I'm thinking. But there will be also the music of this video which I'm going to watch. So sorry for that. Or should I use earpod? Should I use earpod for listening the audio or video and watching, or is it okay? So I have asked you here. So if you guys say use earpod, then I will use the earpod. But for now, I will just focus on my learning. Okay. So we have a initial state of user or array. So we will the const slice. We will give it a slice. Okay. It's a function. We need to initial. Guys, I think should I stop the audio? So basically, what is happening here is we are creating. Okay, so on. Okay, so now we have this. Yeah, on the click, we want to show it here. So what can we do is we can first make it use client. Okay. First of all, we will make it a use client and we will use a use state, and yeah, we can have, so the initial value will be nothing. Yeah. So okay, and now what we can do is we can create a uh, on click use dispatch. So the dispatch is being here, and what we can do is we can create I need to look it, man. Import is dispatch. So okay, const username. Okay, so we can name it a new. Name. We don't need this. We will just name this. Okay. So we will. So as we have the use dispatch, so we should have a dispatch use dispatch. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll create a function user dispatch. Okay, and that function will do what it will do is it will dispatch and have the add user name. Okay, and it will have a okay this also. So as I have used it, I need to import a use state, and what I need to do is on the input. Yeah, on the input I should have a on change, like it will take the value on change e dot set name to set name dot target dot value. Okay, and what I need to do more is okay add user name. Did you mean add users? So it is saying add users. I have add user, I think. Yeah, yeah, I have add user. So what it wants here, I don't know. So okay, so this button is will be using our newly created user dispatch. Okay, it will use this user dispatch. And what can I do is okay, so I think so if I go here and console. So okay, if I go and exhibit, no error came. Yeah, like add user is not defined here, but here it has. Add user. Okay, okay, so I need to import add user. I know I need to import here. No, no, it is from common one. Okay, so add user delivery. So you need to search. It is coming from slice. So what is happening here is we are taking the input from the where we are taking the name from the input and setting it to the set name. Initially it will be empty, but now as it is a set, I'm yeah. So now it will be on a set name, and then what we will do is so what we are doing is use dispatch from Redux, and we are using it here, and we are making a on click and a new function user dispatch, and on user dispatch we are taking the name. Hello, hello. Hello, bro. I want to ask something. Could you please reply? Sure, sure, brother. You can ask me. I will share what I know. So we need. So basically, uh, we will have three file mainly. So one will be the provider, which will wrap your whole Nextjs or React components, your whole app, and there will be a store. Like the name can say it itself, like it is a store for your all your action and all your reducers, and which we can take and we can use in the other components. And slice are like a action and reducer. So initially on my user it is empty array. Then I have given a name here. Then I uh, then I created a slice with the initial state empty and reducer, and I have set a add user which will have a state and action on, and it will push a data of the name and id. Nano id will create a unique id each time. Yes, brother, you can ask me. I'm sorry, like that time I was wearing a jacket, so I just quickly turn off the video for a quick second because I was wearing jacket because here it is too cold. And then we will have a state push data user. So we will push, like it's a push function from the JavaScript. Like we can push a data in a array, this user array. So data. So we create a data and name is coming from here, as we have passed name to the add user. And add user, so yeah, add user we have passed. So bro, I'm beginner web developer learner. So now I'm with learning front end and I'm at JavaScript, but I don't know why I'm unable to learn concept. No, I'm at arrow function. So could you please tell me that how to learn and what is the effective way to learn? So okay, I will just 1 second. Okay, I will minimize the audio so I can tell you properly. So okay, I also learned JavaScript like 2 3 times because when you don't know, like when you don't have that actual mentor who can actually teach you the hard stuff. Yeah, and there is one course. If bro, do you know Hindi? Do you understand Hindi? Then I have one playlist that's too awesome. Do you know Hindi? So I okay. So there is one YouTuber. I think you know, but if you be honest and watch all the video with the actual project, then you will surely learn it. This is the most beautiful JavaScript course I have ever saw. Like it will teach you on depth, so you can so if you learn one time it will just be okay for you. If I can share you link or not, do you know this channel before? I think I can share this link. Yeah, yeah. And what? Okay, so yes, I'm following channel. Yeah, then You don't need to do anything, just watch those video, watch with the concept, and try to do like small programs. Like if you know there are these programs, yeah, like 30 days JavaScript. Do you know this site? 30 days JavaScript, and do this 30-day each day. like I'm being honest with myself, and I'm coming live to learn and to be actually good at coding. Yeah, so if you also want to be great at JavaScript or do anything coding, there shouldn't be any break. All 30 days straight going each day, doing one project just for an hour, also for an 30 minute, doing each day a project. That's the way. And now if you think like, yeah, the arrow function, and yeah, some of this stuff are hard also. And are you learning React? Like if you want to learn React, then go with the JavaScript and learn what are only required for your JavaScript, no, for your React, and start building project on React. And when you got the need of, I need more JavaScript, I am not able to do some React, or I'm not able to grasp this concept, then come back again to JavaScript and then learn again. Like you can learn one time JavaScript fully and go to React fully, and next, yeah, you have to come back first. You have to always learn, like that's a mixed thing. Yeah, you can say. Okay, bro, thank you so much. And one more thing. Yeah, I will share what I know. Sure, man. Like I'm coming to stream, like I recently got my job as a front-end developer, and what I felt is I was learning JavaScript from my comfort of my home. And I used to make a small project, small portfolio website, landing pages, not a big complex project. Yeah, and on your production level, you really need to learn state management, Redux, how you fetch data, how you store data, like all the API, Postman, MongoDB, if you are working with some kind of database. And you even need to know some of like backend, like if you want to see what is going on. Yeah, so just not learning from your home and watching some 5 6 7 8 hour video will not give you anything. What do you think, how much time it will take to learn JavaScript so that can I be a front end dev? Okay, I will tell you an honest answer. Honest answer, okay? You will not be a front end developer just learning JavaScript. You need to learn JavaScript. You need to learn styling. You need to learn React or some kind of other framework. But that doesn't mean you will not get the job. You will get the job, but just JavaScript, no. You need to have some knowledge on the framework also. Like if you go on a company, then you should say, I know this framework, so I can make a website on that framework. Yeah, so if you can do that, then it will take 3 months, and you will surely get a job if you do each day practicing coding. And I said you learn styling also, learn material UI or tailwind CSS, because you can be a front end dev and go to a company, but you don't know to style, then you are screwed. Yeah, like same answer, 3 month. But that doesn't mean you will learn fully JavaScript. You need to come back again, learn again. Like I'm learning JavaScript from past 2 year. Like past 2 year I'm learning. I have learned Python, Java, and other language too. But I need to revise more, and I need to learn more. Yeah, So it's not like a fix, but for to get a front end dev role, you can have it on three month with hard work. That's my answer for you. And where are you from? Types to coordinate possible to dispatch types into each component. It's better to use selector hooks for uses in your application. This simple for comparison. For use selector, it saves you to need of the. No, I'm from Nepal. Do you know Nepal? I'm your neighbor. I too understand Hindi and I can talk really in Hindi, but like I'm also practicing my English. Like I want to apply for the remote jobs, and on the remote jobs, you should really know how to communicate fast English to share your ideas regarding projects, your coding. Yeah, so for that I'm also practicing in English, but I know Hindi all. Like I know Hindi, like I listen Hindi songs, Hindi movies. I just watched that animal movie. So I have created this page. So I need to wrap this children with the provider on my layout, and I need to store. So this store is coming from here, I think. Mm, from setup with. Okay. So what it is doing is in this is the store. Yeah. So this is the live hooks. So we can okay. So we can create hooks also in the live, and we can use them like we make store ref. So it will take a reference initial. Can I ask you one more thing? Sure, you can ask me. Okay, so I will just make this site here, so I can also listen, chat with you, and read here some documentation. Mm, so import user from React. Okay, and you can really learn anything with ChatGPT. Like I'm having problems, so I can just ask RTK Next.js. So how can I post data to API from R RTK? Yeah, like it will give you all the code, but you need to understand what is going on here. Like on this slice folder, it is creating a slice and it is importing a Axios. Okay, so it is the URL. Okay, I think Axios really works with the Redux Toolkit. So we have the initial data. Yeah, so return response, extra reducer, pending succeeded, failed, and in the store we have the post reducer. So we can add. So we will create reducer and add on a store. I don't have friend who is passionate about coding, and I feel coding is my passion. I really like, but I don't have anyone to discuss. Same for me, brother. Like I can really relate with you. Like most of my friends are into other things like partying, going out. Yeah, I also like to go out, but I think like right now I need to learn coding, make some money, and then I can really party. Like that's it's not my time right now, yeah. So what I think is being alone is also sufficient for me. But brother, I think do you use LinkedIn account? Cause I was feeling the same, and I created my LinkedIn account, and I'm not always posting, but I try to post one day, like on a frequent basis, yeah. And I connect with the coding friends, and I really made a lot of friends there. And when you open your LinkedIn also, there are a lot of projects going on, yeah. And you feel, yeah, I should also make it kind of feel, and you feel belonged. But there are people don't even like like what okay. So there is one trick, I guess. So you need to be active at first. You need to comment on all other posts. You need to have at least kind of 1000 or 500 also follower that you can gain just by connecting with other. And you, when your profile looks better, everyone wants to talk with you on LinkedIn. Right, like right now we want to talk with someone because we saw their LinkedIn is like they are professional, they are coding, doing something great, yeah. We need to be like that person, then other people will come to us. And from that I got my job also from the LinkedIn because I used it properly. So that's a really great, like I say to all of you, no, you are not, man. Like don't don't feel you are not disturbing me. S- like I'm just learning Redux Toolkit. Obviously I will learn today like 6 7 hours, so I can have some chat with you. And what are you doing other projects? Like can we connect in LinkedIn? I will share you my LinkedIn profile, then we can talk there, we can be friends. No global study because the digital is shared. Uh, okay, sure. And are you using Insta as well? No, I don't use Instagram. I use LinkedIn, Discord, GitHub, this much only, and sometimes WhatsApp because of my office work. Other than that, I don't really like to be socialized, you can say, on social media. What can I say you is learn JavaScript, but also learn everything. Like watch a video of 1 hour on Redux Toolkit, 1 hour of React Query, 1 hour of Formic, like how you handle form. Okay, sure, I will check it. Like watch a video on how to handle form. Like watch everything. You don't need to understand all, but so I have not got, man. I will check it. Um, I followed you. You check. I think you okay. So you have followed me, but I think you haven't sent me connection. Is this your account, Raul? Rahul, like, are you online? I will share you one thing. Are you online or not? Like, I'm not seeing you live. Are you? So you are there, yeah? Yes. Okay. So listen, okay. On LinkedIn, if you want to be friend with someone or connect with anyone, just click on more and send the connect, not follow. Okay, like I have sent you, like on the connect, add a note like saying hello. This way you can have more follower and have friends also. Like that I do. Like, I think you know already, but I just want to share this to you. And are you also studying in IGNU? I'm also studying in IGNU, man. Like, I'm doing right now double degree, dual degree. I'm doing one in physics and another is in BCA, cause I only need a degree cause of my family, and I don't have time to go classes every day. So by having a IGNU, you can just register and you can just give the exams. What I need to learn from you is okay. So I need to watch one video. Yes, bro. Whatever I send, the chat it's going late. I don't know why. Like, I don't understand what, like, late means. Like, yes, bro. Whatever I send the chat, it going late. Yeah, I got your, mm, I got your text, brother. So you are studying BCA and okay. Why it is not submitting? So so what is going wrong here? Where is my mouse? Shit. Mhm. Okay, so it can be cause of internet also. Like mine also today working slow cause of the internet. Why does a form element should have an Mhm. Okay, so it came, yeah, okay, okay. So it came as a type at user slice. So I have here add user slice slash add user. So it came from this add user. Where it is the add user? I think so. We no the file we created add user was I think here. So it is a add user slice, yeah. So okay, so here is the add user where we created a state and an action which will push to on a data array, and it will have a unique ID and it will store a name. So now what we need to do is we need to make a I have Redux DOM already. Like what I think. So what can I do here is okay. I have added. So okay, so this is mm, okay live. So it didn't. mm, So it didn't. Go on. Could you please tell me about yourself, like your job, your learning? I'm very excited to learn, and like you one day I will also be the developer and create my own web app. Really, I'm really very excited. Sure, like my journey is uh I'm doing 2 degree and I have 1 year of experience as a SEO. So I was doing digital marketing also, and I was learning React. Like I always wanted to create some web app, websites, and the reason behind it was to create a startup. Yeah, like if you know how to code, then you can really create your own startup and have a lot of money. Yeah, that was my primarily thought on my mind. And I started coding and I learned JavaScript, React, Python, and other bunch of tools and languages also. And on my same company I got a job as a React developer, and right now I'm working as a front end developer. and I'm making a dashboard like a web app on my company. And besides that, I just completed my first semester in BCA. Like I told you, I'm also doing BCA. Yeah, so I just completed my BCA first semester. Like it was around some week ago. And yeah, that is my story, I guess. But and what I want to do this year is I want to come live each and every day, learn, share. And my goal for this January month is to mastery on the Redux and Nextjs. And what does the mastery means is I will complete all the fundamentals with the projects, like on your front end developer role. As a front end developer, yeah, you need to know how to use a form handling. So you need to learn this formic, or you can use Redux Toolkit also, React hooks form also. But this build forms in React. Yeah, and if you have to know state management, so I am learning Redux Toolkit. And you need to fetch data. Yeah, so you need to learn React query. And in my company, my boss said me to learn material UI, so I'm learning this material UI also. So my goal for this month is to just learn it, come live every day. Yeah, like I will come each and every day. Like if I got sick also, I will come just for an hour or 30 minutes, and I will learn something on the live. Like I will learn my past learnings, or I will go through code and I will just see. But I will come each and every day for this year, 365 days. That's my aim. Like I can't say like I will come each year, like or next year also. But right now, my aim, my straight focus is 1 year straight day each and everyday life. Bro, can we be friends? Yeah, we are friends. We are talking, we are sharing our thoughts, knowing each other. And now you are doing job, so how you will? Yeah, like I I just came from my job. Like my job is from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and right now it is 5 p.m. Yeah, so I will go live to the 12 p.m. I guess for next 6 hour. I will go live today for straight 6 hour, and I will learn a bunch of things today. I need to learn. Hello, hello, Kuro. Hi. So hello. So that is my aim for this year. Like as I said, 365 day, each day coming live and doing coding, creating startup, learning. Yeah, which video? I'm right. It's been some month. I'm actively commenting on those video which I genuinely like. Yeah, so from that also, I'm getting insight from the YouTuber. So yeah, I guess you saw my comment here and there, bro. We will talk on LinkedIn. Okay, tell me please when you are free. Sure. Like today I'm on my live and I'm free usually on Saturday, cause you can see here. my daily days are like, I can show you my calendar, yeah. So beside Saturday, I have full this bunch of work to do, but on Saturday I'm free, yeah. It was the video of a guy who at 16 made, yeah, I watched that video and I'm really inspired, man. Like on that age also, he went to the next level. Like often we think we don't have degree, we don't have to call professional education, yeah, and we limit ourselves and we don't go to the things we really want. But that man just gone like, okay, I don't have education properly, formally, but I can do the work. I have the skill, and I was really thrilled. And I was seeing like I can also, like, if I really put hard work, then I can also do that shit. Yeah, he skipped the level. He just he created his own level. Like he created his own level, and right now I think he has $600 million startup. Yeah, so he's now working. He's creating his own startup, and that just clicked me like, because I also want to make a startup of my own by learning, by coding, and I'm just so inspired by that video. Okay, bro, if you are free at night today, so please, sure, I will text you on LinkedIn if I'm free. But I think today I have that work also, and right at night I need to do one project which I'm doing for my friend, and I'm also doing freelance also for some gigs. So okay, I will tell you if I'm going to be free, but I'm free on this Saturday. We can have a jump on a call, or we can have a Discord. I'm about to start my coding. Let's go, man. Let's go. In today's world, there are only two things I think are most valuable. One is coding, and another is marketing. Like if you can build stuff, if you can innovate, then you have a product. But that product will not do anything. You have to market it, yeah. And if you know coding and marketing, then you can create startup, you can create companies, SaaS product, and you can just go like you can create your own level in the game. I'm 18-year old and I think I'm lucky to live somewhere where coding is, yeah, the time we're at right now where AI is booming. And I will tell you one thing, okay? So I don't know how many of you know this quantum computing, quantum computing, but you can just look at that quantum computing and you can see what are its application, and you will be like grateful to be on this time. Like this will be on the next 4 to 5 year or 10 year, but on those gap of time we can learn and we can be expert on that field. And when the time comes, we can just like, it's so powerful and it's so speed than this classical computer that. And I'm also taking semester on the quantum computing from the US. Like I got scholarship on one course, so I'm learning on that, and they are teaching quantum computing so excellent. I'm also 18-year old. Okay, let's go, man. We are young. Like I'm 19-year old. Like, but we need to play big games here, and it is just a number. If we do hard work, then we can just get anything we want, man. Like we can see a bunch of successful example. And I said you about this guy, yeah, uh like uh he was talking like What's up, bro? I saw you commented. Yeah, on that video, that guy literally had the $1,000 job, US dollar job, on the age of 16. And why can't we? We can also do it. I don't know how to pin a comment. Like, I want to pin a comment of my LinkedIn so we can connect and we can know each other. Yeah, I think I'm gonna study front end and iOS development. My goal is to work for Apple for a couple years. Let's go, man. We can achieve that. Yeah, we can achieve that. So you want front end and iOS development, yeah. So do you have Mac? Like, I think for the iOS, you think no, you can work on the Flutter and Kotlin. Also, there is one Kotlin multi-platform where you can create app for the both iOS and Android. And there is obviously React Native. And my no unfortunately I don't have Mac. So yeah, you can do on Flutter, React Native. And what I'm thinking is, as I know React and Next.js, I'm good with the JavaScript, yeah, like the JavaScript ecosystem. And I wanted to try React Native. Like, there is Expo React Native. So this is the Expo React Native, yeah. This is the I love this site, this framework, cause I don't have a best laptop, not a like I don't have a very big RAM, yeah, and my laptop often hangs also. And if you go with the Flutter, you need Android Studio, you need to set up, you need to do a lot of things. But with the Expo, you can just have it on a fly. Like, I literally created on app just in an hour on the React Native. I participate in a hackathon that was happening on React Native, and I just searched one video and boom, on a 1 hour I got the app. Bro, if I'm learning coding for hour, like I am learning for hour, but sometimes if the concept is not clear, I'm regretting. So what do you think? Yeah, like this happens also. Like, I'm learning this read I can just share you, like I'm learning this Redux Toolkit, yeah. And this concept is really hard, but I'm learning each day. Like today also, tomorrow also, next day also, until I learned and I created a successful project from myself, like not seeing anywhere. Like, it can have bug, but I can just ask ChatGPT to where is my mistakes, yeah. But I will create it. Yeah, repetition is the key for memory. Yes, bro. Like, if you see my folder, like I have created same file so many times, like each time, like there is some, like I was creating one Hazir, yeah, like you can see Hazir, yeah, Hazir, dashboard Hazir, and here also, I think, like I created so many times same project because I was not learning and not understanding that well. Brother, I think we should create a Discord, or I think I'm planning to create a Discord channel, like where we will not have so many people, but we will have a small people, but all are like learning and doing something great, sharing projects. I don't want a big community of big a large people. I want like, okay, 1000 maximum, but all should work hard and share and help each other. That's the goal I want on a Discord channel. So I will create it, and I think tomorrow or next day I will create and I will share it. And I'm also planning to make a real YouTube video. Like, I haven't created from the past year, and I think I'm planning to create a video on JavaScript or React, and stay tuned for that. And I hope you have subscribed. Okay, so I need to learn. Okay, so I will be talking with you guys also, and I will be doing this Redux also. So I'm gonna study hard on this, but it's gonna be hard for me because I'm also studying architecture. Yo, bro, that's great. Yeah, man, like studying and also coding, following your passion. It's hard to manage time, but we have to do it. There is no other way. That's the only way. So, okay. Increment. I don't know. Okay, bro, I'm just what? Okay, so, bro, I'm also just in my first same exam of IGNU BCA. I don't know what that is, Rahul, since I'm American, but good luck, bro. So, Biraj, brother, what about your academic now? Yes, like I'm studying in BCA, and my also first same exam just ended, and I will be continuing it. Like I will be taking the practical. Yeah, like we have to go for the practicals, and we need to take exams. Yeah, so I will do that, but I will be more focusing on earning myself, and I'm just doing that BCA IGNU for the degree cause of my family, like for my parents, they really need degree, so I'm doing that. Yakuro bro is from America, yo man. So okay, what I will do is okay. Mean first 31 Jan you have a lab exam. Yeah, like exam. Yeah, like I don't know about the 31 January, but I have my lab on the couple of days. I'm from where Microsoft was founded. Yo man, and what are you studying, Kuro? Like okay, yeah, you told you are studying architecture, yeah. Okay, and how you got the passion for programming or like coding? Like what really got you? Can you share it? And what are you learning now? Like I think you have said me what you were learning, but Okay, yeah. I'm gonna study front end and iOS. Okay, that's great, man. Keep on learning, man. Like when I see the AI tools, I really got like they are doing so much capable, and sometimes I get kind of afraid, kind you like you can say, and that also gets me motivated to study more. And I'm also doing 100 days of ML and AI on the LinkedIn, but past 4 5 days I'm not following that cause of my other thing like this. But I'm also taking some AI classes on the middle, so I'm covering that. So okay, what? Okay, how did I get the passion? Yes, sure, I will share it. Sure, man. But Kuro, bro, I'm also typing, talking in English. So is my English pair just asking for the feedback? No, your English is good. Like, what I think is like, have you guys noticed like I have a stammering problem also? Why are you not you speaking Nepali, Prasant? Bro, like I want to practice my English also, and I'm applying for remote jobs, and for that also I need to be a fluent in English. And I have stammering problem, like sometime while speaking I stammer a lot, and on the English language I stammer more than Nepali. And I want to like that been my biggest insecurity in my life, that I stammer while talking. And by speaking in front of camera with you guys, sharing my thought, I think I'm able to communicate more fluently, and that's the reason I'm talking in English. And obviously I want the remote job opportunities also. So so what can I do is I can initialize a state, and action state is asking to state action dot payload logout. Like I am making this web app, you can see here, on which folder I was working on yesterday. I think yeah, this one. I can git pull. So I'm making this, and I need to learn Redux Toolkit for this. Like right now I'm using you can say uh context API, but I need to like company. I got interested in coding in my third year of high school. I was so fed up with school and how slowly I was being taught, so I decided to take a bootcamp course and learn some coding. I got inspired by YouTube and seeing people make it without university. Eventually, I gave up. English is important nowadays, because bro, because all production level is using English, and decided to study artificial, but I'm still gonna code. Yeah, yes, you don't need a actual degree to start coding and have a life you want, and taking some bootcamp and taking some course that can really help you is enough for coding. And I think you should try JavaScript, or you are in architecture, so I think there is some programming course also, I think. And English is important, yeah man, English is really important. Like, I think writing English is also important, but speaking is more important. Because writing, we can go on a chat GPT and we can just have a perfect essay, perfect cold DM, perfect quote, like anything. But speaking is kind of challenging, and like, while my native tongue is Nepali, so while coming up with some kind of quick answer, I think I, I am having a hard problem. Like, I need to think. Yeah, but if I'm able to speak English fluently, then I can just I can have a quick conversation. And decided to study architecture, but I'm still gonna code. We should code, man. There are a lot of things to learn, and on this year, I also want to learn Rust. I'm doing Java for data structure and algorithm, and I'm learning Python for machine learning and AI, and also for the quantum computing, because bunch of the framework that are used in the quantum computing are made with the Python. So I need to be really fluent with the Python also. And as I said, I'm currently having a job on the front end, so I really need to be good at JavaScript. That's the only way I can be a front end developer for now. Do you know my speaking skill is better than my writing skill? And bro, if you want to enhance, so we can talk in English. What do you Sure, man. Like, that's the best for both of us. Like, I will be also able to practice my English, and you can also have some thoughts sharing on our progress on our life. Yeah, like we can also share our what we are learning, what we are doing. So this was I was making, and like there is delete. But on the Nextjs, like 14, there is one error coming, like hydration error. And I tried so many times to, like, expected server HTML is containing a matching in. Okay, so where is this error coming? So this was coming from error, like A, okay. So basically I was using, I think that's on a sidebar, okay. So I think it is coming from here, this bug, or where it can be. Like, I can just search A, but that will just give me a bunch of things that I really don't want to deal right now. Mhm. I think it's coming from the auth. It's really hard to find in this big code base. Have a good day, bro. I have to go sleep for a while. It's oh, bro, get your sleep, man. It's 4 a.m. for me. Okay, get your sleep. Take care and let's grind and let's learn coding also. And I think you have subscribed me, okay? So cause I will be making some damn good videos regarding our Discord also, how we can create such community. And I will be sharing some like do you guys want some video on like SEO or marketing? Like I have a 1 year of experience and I have taught like more than 13 people. Like they they came to our office, yeah, so I taught like 13 people. And I know bunch of things on the SEO, on the social media marketing also. And I think as I'm doing programming, but if I share that knowledge and create some video, then I will share my knowledge also and I can watch that video in the future also, yeah. Because I know I won't be doing SEO or digital marketing. I will be more focused on programming. But having a 1 year experience on that, working full time, I think I have really got some valuable experience working on a field that I can share. I will be here for when you drop this code. Sure, man. I will. I think. Do you like this Discord name? Like, no, no. I once thought a name like Life of Bugs. Like, while programming, you have so many bugs. Yeah. So I thought to create a channel Discord like name Life of Bugs. But I think I will create a new channel, Discord channel that will be more focused about startups, programming, yeah, like that kind of thing. I'm learning from very big organization. If you are were in India, I really recommend. You can't imagine they are providing free 1 year English speaking course and on offline, and I can't share the quality, bro. Thanks for God stating for me. Yeah, there are like now the time is like there are a lot of programming videos, courses, and the main problem is which to choose, which to follow. That's the main issue right now. Sure, bro. See ya. Take care. Raul, bro. So I have shared you this 30-day, yeah, JavaScript course, and there is another course also, bro. Are you interested in blockchain? Then there is one course, this alchemy, and here they will teach you JavaScript also, like alchemy. Okay, I will just share you this course. Okay, okay. This is the course. This is 100% free. Okay, this is 100% free, and The best part is you can learn. Okay, so where are you? Okay, so the best part is you can learn JavaScript also here, and if you are interested more, then you can learn blockchain also. Like you can go to this site and you can just, I think, okay, I think